Hello and welcome to our series Managing VMware with DSysCup. Today we will see how to analyze a performance issue linked to the CPU ready. Let's imagine the following situation. The VM252 has performance issues during the day and we have to figure out what causes this problem. We are going to start by looking up the VM in the search bar. We can see that this is the big VM. It has 16 vCPU. While the troubleshooting is not signaling any issue, its behavior somehow indicates that it is oversight. Therefore, we have two details that makes us think that the problem with this VM is linked to its CPU ready. We are going to check the specific recommendations for this VM. We can see that indeed DSysCup suggests removing two CPUs from this VM. We can see that the percentage of maximum CPU ready is very high. However, the percentage of average CPU ready is much lower. We are going to check the CPU consumption of this VM to understand this difference. We can clearly see on this graph that this VM only uses its vCPU during the week. It is inactive during the weekend. This explains the difference between the average and the maximum CPU ready. We can also check the evolution of the CPU ready during the week. We can see that the peaks of CPU ready that go over 2 seconds occur during the afternoon. Moreover, if we add the graph corresponding to the server on which the VM is placed, we can see that it is impacted, as it presents peaks of CPU ready at the exact same time. If we allocate too much vCPU to the VMs, we can create queues within the server, similarly to the case we just studied. Resizing the vCPU allocation helps to have more capacity and to be more performant. You can visit our website to download your 30-day free trial of DSysCup.